Lots of sauce. Look at this. They did good. What's up, everybody? Arty 84 here for the North Shore three-way, and today we're actually gonna get a roast beef sandwich. Change it up a little bit, and we're hitting it right now. I wasn't gonna get one today, but I was feeling a little hungry. Wasn't really feeling a burger, so we're going to my least favorite roast beef place. Give me a convenience, but we're gonna get just a small roast beef with extra sauce like I usually get. So here we are into Kelly's Roast Beef here in Medford. So let's place our order and we'll go from there. Can I get a small roast beef with extra sauce and a small Coke? That's it. Alright. Alright. So $12.58 for a small roast beef sandwich. A small Coke. A little extreme, but desperate times comes to desperate measures, and I'm hungry, so this will have to do. Not the best deal in town. You have cheaper places that we already reviewed. They get a little bit more bang for your buck, if you will. And I typically believe that this roast beef is a little dry. If you ask for sauce, you barely get any. If you ask for extra sauce, you get about as much sauce as you get in another place for regular sauce. So let's see. Usually I get sauce on the side, but I'm going to try to reduce complications at this matter right here. And maybe they'll change my mind. Maybe we'll luck out today. But this is probably the most famous roast beef place. But it's by far not the best. But today's a new day. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they blow my expectations and make a pioneer event here on the North Shore three-way. We'll see. Alright, so right here, let's examine this. I got my Coke. Without the Coke, it'd probably still be $110. And I gotta tell you, it is a small roast beef, but they do give you a decent size. It's a whole nice bun. I like the sesame seeds. I think they actually cook the bun, a little butter on it, nice and crispy. Most people don't believe this, but their cheeseburgers are actually really good. If I'm going to, the wife's going to Kelly's or something like that, I always will go, and I'll sometimes just get a cheeseburger. But all right, well, I have to say, right out of the bat, lots of sauce. Look at this. They did good. All right, so they already my expectations on the quantity of sauce that they put in. Usually you get no sauce. Usually you get extra sauce, and it's, you know. All right. Wow. Okay. No, it's not like melt in your mouth like a Mike's roast beef is. It's a little chewy, but it's better than usual. I have to say that. The toasted roll adds a really nice feature to it. And they're just slightly toasted. It's enough crunch. What you need when you have the sauce, because you don't want to get too soggy. I'm gonna say, I'm actually not disappointed. All right, so we're almost at the end here. I got about a third of the sandwich left. The roast beef actually is not dry. I'm making a mess here. I only got a handful of napkins, so it should be all right. But some of it's a little chewy, which is usually one of my biggest pet peeves is Kelly's roast beef. Their roast beef tends to be a little not as tender, a little more chewy. But the fact they put a lot of sauce on it kind of helped that out a little bit. So can't take that away from that. It's a big mess. It's hitting the spot. I really can't complain. I would say I'll put this up there about a 7 today. You know? Typically they're like a 5. I give today a 7. You know? People say I should be biased because I'm from Revere. I should always, pick Kelly's because they're from Revere too. But a lot better places in Revere, which we already established earlier in this series. So most of the sandwiches fell apart. Bread got a little soggy towards the end, but I'd say overall not bad. I'd say we'll give today a 7 here. Kelly's roast beef in Medford. Now I typically go to Kelly's in Saugus, and that's usually where I experience these situations. But maybe the Medford location is doing it right, so we'll give them the benefit of the doubt. I washed all the sauce off my face, and that is what it is. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the North Shore 3-way. Actually having a 3-way. Well, not really having a 3-way over there. It's a 1-way. I don't like the 3-way. We already established this. I don't like the cheese on it. I don't like the mayo on it. I don't do that stuff. Well, not for me. For some people, hey, it's your life with how you want to live it. But good roast beef sandwich today. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.